Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hey kids, let's buzz into creativity. Draw a happy bee and add some bright colors. What colors will you choose for the bee's stripes? Make your bee look busy and happy.
Awesome! 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 Fantastic! Cool! Perfect! Cool! Fabulous! Cool! Fabulous! Fabulous! Fabulous!
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.